Hello and welcome. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Today we shall show you a very simple solution to a very common problem: how to fix a weak or no signal message on your Samsung TV screen. Basically, the weak or no signal message appears when the TV is not getting a signal from the aerial or attached device. The most common reason that people see this on-screen message is that the TV is set to the wrong source input for your device. This can happen if the power to the TV has been disconnected and the TV resets itself to the aerial input. To fix this issue, simply press the source button on your remote control and select the correct input for your device. In this example, we select HDMI 1 and our Freesat set-top box is available. If you do not know which input to use, simply cycle through the available options until you locate the correct input. The second reason that you may see the weak or no signal message is that your device you are trying to watch is switched off. So make sure the device is turned on. The third reason for a weak or no signal message is that your TV aerial is not connected to your TV. So to fix this, check the aerial input cable is connected to your TV. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.